Hi, this is Hardball Retro. Welcome to the Retrodome. Today's game is Baseball Fanatic. This is the IBM PC version. It was published by Performing Arts Software in 1986. This one's been kind of a holy grail game for me. I had this back in that time frame, 1986-87, for the Apple II. I had an Apple IIe enhanced system, and I've been kind of kicking myself for selling it off. And I sold all the games with it, but for some reason I have the Baseball Fanatic manual still in my possession here. So I've been looking for this game ever since. It's not because it's a great game or anything, just because it's one of those, um, I don't know, I've just kind of taken an interest in the fact that I haven't been able to locate it anywhere. And the only thing I could ever find for it online was, I believe, an advertisement in Compute magazine. Um, so I stumbled across this the other day. I think it's just a demo version, so we'll see if it. I think we can only play a few innings of it, but I thought I'll at least post a playthrough video so everybody can see that this game did in fact exist. Maybe grab a few screenshots and try to get it up on Mobygames as well. So you can see this is the main menu. There's a handful of options. Just leafing through the manual, there is supposedly an optional file editor slash stat compiler for the game. I don't know if they ever sold any season discs or anything for it. And we'll take a look at the teams that come with it. I think they're mostly like 60s and 70s greatest teams. So let's do, we're not going to bother with creating a new team. Watch the scoreboard and so on. So, and if anybody has any other information on the game, please reply in the comments. I do have in the manual that it says Performing Arts Software was based out of Indianapolis, Indiana. I don't have the name of the programmer for this. So again, any additional info would be extremely helpful and of interest to probably at least a handful of us. So, all right, let's see what we can try to play at least an inning or two here. Okay, they give us a bunch of information here. So, yeah, this game is not much to watch as far as graphics are concerned. All right. I'll just leave these up here for a few moments if anybody cares to read them. Yeah, demonstration version, limited to playing only 2 innings per game. Okay, well, 2 innings will at least give us a little bit of a feel for the game. So let's press on here. Choose the level of the game. I mean, it's basically, pitcher's duel or slugfest, or yeah, there's a couple different modes here that you can pick. Designated hitter. All right, whatever. I'm just going to do average big league level. And you versus the computer. All right, so I'll just be, okay, yeah, we got 60s. All right, how about Cardinals Brewers. Visiting team for the computer. All right, they'll be the Cardinals, and I'll be the Brewers. All right, lineup. I'm not going to mess with the lineup. We'll just keep whatever they've got here. And there's the Milwaukee lineup, no change. Okay, so you see the top of the screen, pitcher select one. I'm going to choose a slider. Inside, down the middle, outside. Slider, inside. Alright, and this is, again, a fairly early game in the scheme of things. It does not have the one pitch mode, so, but again, we're only going to play 2 innings apparently, so hopefully we're not here forever. Alright, curveball, down the middle, single, okay. And this is running in DOSBox on a website. I think the website was DOS Games that I found this. I'm going to see if I can slow the emulation down a little bit so the graphics get slowed down a tad. Oh, okay, caught stealing. Alright, fastball down the middle, strike. Fastball outside, easy fly out. Alright, so Hendrick is at bat. Curveball outside. There's a ball, fastball down the middle, ball, slider inside. It's a single. Alright, Darrell Porter, the batter. Curveball down the middle. It's a single. Alright, 2 runners aboard. Changeup outside. Curveball inside. Curveball outside. Fastball down the middle. Bases loaded. Obrick fell. And I think I saw a misspelling there, so. Changeup inside. Strike. Fastball inside. Ball. Fastball inside. Foul ball. Slider down the middle. Strike. Alright, there's the inning summary. Yeah, lots of typos here. I think I just saw Paul monitor. Interesting. Alright, so now we're on offense. We have look for a fastball, curve, change, slider, take a pitch, change lineup. I'm going to look for a curveball. Inside. Look for a slider down the middle. Look for a changeup outside. I didn't notice. I'm guessing it's Yount batting. I guess we'll find out. Inside, ball, fastball, down the middle, ball. Look for a slider, inside, strike. Look for a curve. Here comes the 3-2 pitch. Looking for a curve outside, strike. Alright, Cooper. Cecil Cooper, the batter. Look for a fastball inside. Ground out. Whoa. I saw Welcome to County Stadium capacity something something. Alright, change up down the middle. Ground out. Ozzie Smith, the batter. Fastball inside. Batter is out on a close play. Andujar. Change up. Slider. Fastball. Batter's out. Alright. Scoreless game so far. Inside. Inside. Look for a fastball. Outside. Strike. That was Gorman Thomas. This is Ted Simmons. Look for a slider. Look for a curve. Look for the fastball. Oh, great catch. Ben Ogilvy. 2 down. Grounds out 4-3. And that's the final score. 0-0. Alright, press any key to continue. You want to play again? Yes. That takes us back to here. It kicks me out of my full screen. Oops. Well, let's play one more, since that went relatively quickly here. I'll just do computer. Let's see. Let's pick the visiting team. Will be the 76 Reds, and the 77 Yankees are the home team. No change. No change. Alright, Pete Rose leading off. There's a strike. Oh, there's a double. Sack bunt by Morgan. Here's Griffey. Sack bunt. Interesting. Okay. 1-0 Reds. I'll be honest with you, this game, I quickly lost interest in this one. I don't know if it was the realism, if it was the graphics, if it was a combination of everything. I just could not really get into this. I'm sure at that time I had Micro League. I was probably messing with Pure Stat and Full Count. I think I got the APA game for that there was a, I think that was the Random House version, but for my Apple II at that point. And Earl Weaver Baseball came out a little bit later, I think, for the Apple, but I don't know. This one, don't recall playing a lot of innings with this, so. But it is part of the history of baseball video games, so I did want to include it here in case I have a feeling a lot of people weren't even aware of this game. So, all right, here's Bucky Dent. Single. Runners are going for that extra base. They're safe. Don Gullett throws a ball. Strike. Strike. Ball. Line drive. Batter's out. And the Reds win 1-0 in a 2-inning ball game. Do you want to play again? No, I think I'm good. Right? Now, I'm assuming after 9 innings, you get a box score. We don't get one here with the demo. But I can't be certain because I don't have a full copy of the game here. But like I said, all right, there's the opening screen again. You can do the regular version. Allows you to select opponents for up to 8 games. Relax and watch the scoreboard. Not available on the demonstration disc. Okay, fine. Go to the standings section. Only available on the regular version of Fanatic. Kind of figured that as well. And if it were 1986, this would be how to order So, if anybody knows who resided at 320 N Basil in Indianapolis, Indiana in 1986, again, please message me or let me know in the comments. Just would like to give credit where credit is due if I'm going to add this to Mobygames or include it in one of my articles or anything. So that is probably going to wrap it up here since we only have the 2 inning version of this game, but at least we'll get it out there. Finally was able to track this thing down. So that's Baseball Fanatic for the IBM PC. And everybody take care, keep playing ball, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.